Are you tired of dealing with heat and uncomfortable spaces? Yeah, I know, right? Worry no more! Welcome to Ideal Air Services Ghana Limited, your trusted partner in air conditioning solutions. We stand out as a premier provider in the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning industry, consistently earning our reputation as the #1 choice for residential and commercial clients alike. Established over 7 years ago, Ideal Air has built a legacy of excellence through unwavering commitment to quality, customer service, and innovation. We specialize in installation, maintenance, and repairs, ensuring your systems run efficiently all year round. Whether it's your home, office, or a large commercial space, we've got you covered. We as well specialize in mechanical engineering, plumbing, repairs, and sales of HVAC systems. What sets us apart? Quality workmanship, fast response, and a commitment to customer satisfaction. We don't just install, we deliver comfort you can rely on. Call us today on +233 358 9370 or visit us at East Legon Hills, Lakeside. With all our air conditioning installations, we arrange a pre-start meeting to walk you through the stages due for completion, to ensure you are comfortable with the process from start to finish, and give the opportunity for all parties to raise any concerns and ensure smooth progression. For detailed information about us, kindly visit our website displayed on the screen to read more. Ideal Air Services Ghana Limited, the MEP Masters.